NFTs are dead, they said in 2021. RIP and moment of silence. Well, it looks like it's the opposite with a fresh bull run, with it being green all around in OpenSea activity. This is a quick look back from the last year and predictions for 2022 in the world of non-fungibles. What's up, NFT explorers? Mike Damazo here to help you navigate through the metaverse as your no-shill resource. So for this video, I reached out to a variety of people during the holiday to get their take. From TikTok creator, a play to earn expert, and a top shot YouTuber. So let's send the questions.
Everything has changed. Just didn't even know what crypto was in 2020, and now all of a sudden we're all into crypto in 2021. So the fact that we're all in it, biggest takeaway, nothing will be the same again.
Hi, I'm Amy. My biggest takeaway from the crypto space in 2021 was how important it is to be an active participant. I missed out on at least one airdrop because I was too cheap to pay for gas, and I know I will not be making that mistake again in 2022.
My biggest takeaway in 2021 has been seeing how NFTs, DeFi, and DAOs have been completely changing traditional methods and replacing the traditional methods with decentralized tactics that are community forward. As the NFT and crypto community grows, inclusion and onboarding is so important.
The NFTs move in hyperspeed. If you feel like you missed one opportunity, there's always another one coming. Just do your due diligence and form your own thesis with your NFT plays. Be it you're an active JPEG trader, long-term collector, or just someone curious about the space.
2022 prediction. A lot more of the same, into numbers that we won't believe at the end when we're reaching 2023. We will just like how we didn't think we would be here at the start of 2021, at the end of 2022, I think our minds will be blown once again.
My prediction for 2022 is that we're going to see another breakaway company. So just like Axie basically defined the genre of play and earn gaming, I think we're going to see another company define a whole new genre, and I am so excited to see what it is.
My prediction for 2022 in the crypto space is that there will be an increase in social media NFTs, particularly in use by influencers through platforms like Coco NFT.
Okay, so with that, play to earn games and layer 2 solutions will be leading the way. Granted, a lot of games will release and everyone will tweet their buys. The key is to be focused on a few instead of being spread all around. See, scaling solutions like Polygon, Immutable, or Arbitrum will help onboard more normie homies for this year with 2022.
Gotta say something like how all the communities sort of stick together in 2021. Doesn't matter if it's Ballers, Top Shot, Apes, those communities, the strong ones, they stick together, and that's probably the best trend. The fact that people are making besties with strangers online through communities, through NFTs and projects that otherwise wouldn't have been made, those friendships, without those communities. So that's probably my favorite trend, those communities that are making real friendships, real differences, and fun for all of us.
My favorite trend from 2021 was by far play and earn gaming. I found Axie Infinity, it completely sucked me in. I think it's such an amazing way to get people into crypto. And I'm really excited to see whether play and earn gaming can be sustainable in the long term and what impact that has on the future of work.
Not least, my favorite trend that's been happening in 2021 is people paying it forward in the Web3 space through the use of valuable airdrops. Free money. Who doesn't love that?
The standout NFT news or trend that happened in 2021 was Axie Infinity's mini documentary to Beeple's 69 million sale. Also, you already know Bored Ape Yacht Club with their completion of Roadmap 1.0 and currently being on Roadmap 2.0. The standout, honestly, is just the random friends I met online, from Twitter to Discord, and just being able to vibe with everybody and, listen in on some Twitter spaces. So I pass these questions to you because I'm curious what you thought of the biggest takeaway from NFTs plus standout news that happened in 2021. And what's your prediction for 2022? As always, don't forget to tap that thumbs up for this video because it doesn't cost you any gas. Subscribe if you haven't already and turn on the alpha notification bell for videos about NFTs. Stay legendary and I'll see you in the metaverse.